Huwag na daw kayo mahiya. This is your chance. Since honest to goodness tayo. Any more questions?
They're excited to watch the alternate endings.
I think so.
Question.
Yes, sir.
If there's any honest advice that you can give each other, ano yun? So, bigyan niyo isa't isa ng honest advice.
Yes.
Lumilibaw din ilaw.
Wait lang ka, nagdodol pa po yung utak namin.
Actually, because we give each other advice all the time. So,
Best advice na lang na binigay. What's the best advice that you gave each other? Na hanggang ngayon naaalala niyo. Pwede nga.
one just off the top of my head was to try to ignore a lot of the bashers. I mean, Nadine has a lot of bashers on social media, and at the start, it would really get to her. And so yeah, I've been dealing with this for a long time, like 5 years. So yeah, I would tell her it's really don't let it get to you. Just keep doing it. Something like that.
Okay lang sa akin. Kinikilig na sa dalawa eh.
Ikaw din sasagot. Sleep. However you can. And because it's always you who's giving me advices. Kasi siya po palagi nagbibigay sa akin ng mga advice. So,
Actually, no, she did give me advice. Get more sleep.
yun.
Being a night person, I used to, before I would go out frequently. So,
Tapos work during the
work
day.
during the
Tapos,
day.
Magandang ano po.
so, I'll tell him to sleep more. Yun po.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Alright, I believe we have a last question sa likod. Oh, there. Meron pa pala. Last two.
Hi,
I like
hello. My question is, of all the 4 alternate endings of the commercial, which one is your favorite? And why?
I'm not sure. The last one that we shot. Well, when we see it, I'll point it out to you.
Why? Why? And why?
It's funny.
Like how you it's funny.
Yeah, it's funny.
Di ba sa mamaya makikita nyo?
I point it out to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll be playing it now daw, James. Para sa'yo. But we still have questions. Muna.
Can we play it last?
I'll play it last?
Yes.
Oh, sige, request si James mamaya na daw. Alright, we're ready for the next question?
They're gonna wait. Okay. Hi JD.
Hi.
Hi, Bianchi.
Hi Andre. Just a quick question. Aside from each other, if you could give someone else a 7-Eleven seed list, who would that be and why?
Malinaw.
There's so many people I went to. I'd say my handler, Kurt.
Usap yan, bilim eh.
If she needs it, she has to put up with my busy schedule. She's not here right now.
How about my dad? Because my dad loves coffee. Actually, it's weird. My sister, who's 9 years old, likes drinking my dad's coffee. So yun po, my sister and my dad. Thank you.
Alright.